how to add border frame to photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to add a border frame to your photos on iPhone. It's super easy and you can customize it with any color and transparency you like. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Photos app and then select the photo you want to edit. Then tap on the slider on the bottom. This is the edit option. And then you will see a pencil-like icon on the top right. Tap on it and then tap on OK. Uh, Now you'll see a plus sign at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on it, and from there tap on Add Shape. Now you can choose the square option, and then you'll want to resize this square to fit perfectly around your image. So resize it, and once you have done that, what you need to do is you'll need to change the gray color. Tap on it and then change it to transparent. That is, you'll need to tap on no fill. Now you can even adjust the thickness of the border to stand out more. Tap on the line, and then here you can see 21 pt. You can increase it if you want to increase the border size, and you can choose the color according to your wish. And that's it. It's as simple as that to put a border on your photos on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.